the base for the binary number system is going to be 2. So at any single location it will have 0 and 1 value only. Now we are going to build the entire system of binary numbers. If you look at this particular number, we won't be able to understand it easily. But computer does, because computer knows how to deal with 0 and 1. So as I have mentioned earlier as well, everything is all about base and place. Place is a unit place, tens place, the location, and base is based on the number system that you are using. For decimal it is 10, for binary it is going to be 2, for hexadecimal it is going to be 16. So if base is 2, that means at every single place you can have 0 and 1, no other value. If you look at this particular number, at every single place it has 0 and 1. So you can call this number and this number can be a binary number. Correct? But we don't understand this binary number. Even though this number is stored into the machine, and if I ask the machine to return me this number, because this is how it is stored into the memory, machine is just going to return me this 1 0 1 1 0 1, and I don't understand what this is. So I need to know, and I need to convert this particular number into decimal number system, and for that we have this particular formula that we just saw. So we are going to convert it into a decimal number system by using power of 2. So 1 into 2 power 0, 0 into 2 power 1, 1 into 2 power 2, and something like that. So this is the number that is represented by this 101101. Now if I solve this particular equation, I get 45. That means this number 101101 is 45. So by using this technique, I am able to convert any binary number into decimal number.